So pretty much the purpose of this channel is to kind of show you my process of building software. And to be honest with you, I don't want to create those type of clickbait videos about development. Like, watch me use ChatGPT to build my app in 15 minutes. Watch me launch a business in 7 days, etc., etc. I don't want to create those type of videos. I want to create valuable content that actually showcases the whole entire development process, from taking an idea, talking to people, talking to users, gather insights, and essentially learn how to solve real world problems. So I think that starting this channel and showing you my process is gonna help me, not only to become a better designer, a better developer, but it's gonna teach me how to step out of my comfort zone, how to start a project, how to talk to people about the project. And I feel like in 2024, we have all the tools in the world, especially when it comes to AI, to help us take that idea and bring it to life. And I've been having like so much fun doing it, and I can't wait to show it with you. Okay, so here's what you can expect from this channel moving forward. Weekly, I'm gonna show you behind the scenes look at how I built my MVP. We will be calling the project in React.js, Node.js. We'll be using frameworks such as Express and Socket.io for real-time messaging. And we'll be using AI tools such as Claude Sonnet to help us build the app. Okay, so what's so special about this channel moving forward is that you're gonna get to see me design the product using actual user research data that I've conducted, and you're gonna get to see me design it in Figma. We're gonna learn how to solve real world problem and essentially answer the question of, will people actually use this product? So I'm excited to bring you into the journey. So I feel like if you are a self-taught developer, if you are a UX designer, or a product manager, or if you're just someone who's interested in how to get into tech and how to build a product, I think that we can learn a lot from each other. All right, I'm back. Hi, everybody. I think that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. It's very unusual for me to get on a camera, but I'm very happy that I did it. And I'm very excited to start this channel. My plan is to upload one video per week, and every video will be a different topic, such as designing a component. It could be programming the front end of the app, or it could be a presentation style on updates about my business model. So if you can give my video a quick like and subscribe, so you know when's the next time that you'll see me upload a clip. And if you already follow me on Instagram, I will keep you updated all over there. So have a great one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.